Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Bukola Simon, and if you're just joining us, this is part 2 of our beginner series on Introduction to SolidWorks. In our previous video, we built our very first 3D model from scratch. We started with a new part, document, created a boss extrude, added boss features, made cuts and holes, applied fillets for those smooth edges, added a shell to make it hollow, and finished with a realistic looking part. If you haven't watched that yet, go check it out first. Link in the description and pinned in comment, because today we are using that exact part. Now we are moving on to lesson 2, where we will be doing the assemblies. This is where the real fun begins. Beginning multiple parts together to create something that actually works, like real world mechanism. So we start by creating a new part. We click new, we go to part, press OK. In the view toolbar, we go to shaded with edges, press extruded boss, select the front plane, go to the sketch tools, select corner rectangle, go to the origin, left click and drag, select all the edges and make them equal. Go to smart dimension and give a dimension to one of the edges, set it to 120, press OK. So we go to features, or we exit the sketch, and then put the end condition. We put the end condition to 90 millimeters. Now it's time to add in the fillets. Go to the fillet, select these 4 edges, press OK. Now it's time for us to shell. Press the shell command, select the front face, show the preview, and we set the parameter, the distance to 4 millimeters to give it a 4 millimeter thickness. Press OK. So we zoom in to this edge so that we can select the front face. I'll select the front face, and then we go to features and the extruded cut. We go to convert entities and then offset entities. We select this edge, and in the parameters we are going to change the parameter to 2 millimeter, and then we change to reverse direction, 2 millimeter, and then reverse the direction. We press OK and we exit the sketch. We set the end condition to 20 millimeters. The end condition has to be blind, and then it's the time. Then we set the material for the body, and we set it to any material depending on what we want. We go to assembly, go to new assembly, say OK. So we are going to pin and then locate our parts, select both parts, say open. You first pin the assembly so that you can add both parts simultaneously. Create Tutor2, Then select Tutor1, Tutor2 and place it somewhere close to Tutor1. Then press OK. So we are going to be adding mates. So click on mates. And property manager will appear on the left. Select the upper edge of Tutor1 and select the upper edge of Tutor2. And then press OK or right click. Click this right face of Tutor2 and Tutor1. And then try to drag Tutor2. Select, zoom in and select the lower edge of Tutor2. Press OK or right click to confirm. And there we have it, our first complete assembly in SolidWorks. We created a second part, inserted everything into a new assembly file, applied those insertion mates to lock it all together, and then even played around with display mates to make it look professional. This is the last tutorial in the Introduction to SolidWorks series focused purely on modeling parts and building assemblies. You have now gone from a blank screen to a fully functional 3D assembly, which is a huge milestone for now. So in our next series, we are diving into creating professional 2D drawings from our 3D models. We will also explore how to work with models and drawings imported from AutoCAD, importing DWG files, converting 2D AutoCAD drawings to 3D SolidWorks parts, and more. It is super useful if you have legacy drawings or collaborate with teams still using AutoCAD. If you enjoyed this, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe if you haven't already so that you can catch up with us in the AutoCAD to SolidWorks tutorial when it drops. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.